Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-GH6 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your camera is not working for some reason, if it's not connecting to things, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. The other reason is there's a tons of settings on here and you can deal with them all manually, or if you just want to wipe everything off of it, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up like a new camera. We can do that super simply. We just need to hit the menu button to open the menu, and once the menu opens, we'll just hit the custom gear shifter, the custom wrench, the word custom with the wrench icon, and then from there we'll select the settings with the gear wheel, and then from there we'll select reset. Simple as that. So menu, custom with wrench icon, settings with gear wheel icon, and then reset. Once you do that, it will reset all to its out-of-the-box factory settings. You can set it up again like a new camera.